girl Jada Simone back with it, you feel me? And today, guess what? I have not one, two, three, but four Pixie cut wigs for the summer. Something cool, cute, simple, easy to throw on, including this one on my hair right now.
And yes, my makeup is popping.
Okay, so let me get into the D's wing. I don't want this video to be too long because I'm hungry and ready to eat. So, story for this one. I've had these wigs for about 3 weeks now. 2.5 for sure. This is the only one I've been wearing because I didn't want to wear all the wigs before I got to do, you know, an initial review, unboxing, all that stuff, you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to get into the deets of this wig right quick. They are all by It's a Wig. This is the package to this one, so it's already open obviously. So we're just gonna talk about it. So this wig on my head, I really like this wig. This is the one I've been wearing. It's called Cupid, color 1B. I've been wearing it, well, about 2.5 weeks, because it's the only one I've been wearing for real. But it comes in all these colors. And basically, I just want to say I did not cut this wig at all. Only thing I do is just pop it on, just do a little like that over to my ear, behind my ear, little on the neck. You know, rough it up a little bit in the front so it's not looking too perfect. And I just feel like this is like a perfect everyday pixie cut wig. I think I'm probably definitely gonna buy some more colors in this one. Baby, I wanted this one. This is the only 1B wig I got because, you know, I'm a color girl. Ever since I went to color, I haven't gone back, for real. What are black braids? Okay, they are all iron friendly, and this one is actually synthetic. I got 2 synthetic, 2 human hair, and they're iron friendly. This one, 350 to 400 degrees. I really don't have much to say about it. I haven't had to wash it yet, but like, it's one of the easiest wigs I've ever worn. And like, I don't know, I'm just really feeling the little short pixie cuts. I actually technically have 5 of them. I have another video which you should check out definitely once I post it. I thought I didn't like the footage, but we got some salvageable footage up in there. So I'm gonna post that one just for the sake of it. I'm not wasting no footage. All right, so that was the first one. And I haven't opened any of the 3 of the rest of them. So this is Simone. This is how she's come packaged. There's another It's a Wig. This is the other synthetic one. The other 2 are gonna be human hair, but this one's synthetic. Why do these kind of look the same? This is not, and the way it looks on the picture is not how I end up looking on my head. So we just want to see how this one ends up looking too. Yeah. It is burgundy black. I think it comes in more colors than the other one. Ooh. Okay, but you can see all those colors. That's a lot of colors. So come on, light. Come on, light.
Come on, light. So
we got our paper inside the wig. We got our knit around the wig. I'm not scared because this turned out a lot cuter than I thought it was gonna be. Like,
and I rocked it.
For a second, I'm just gonna pull it off now. All the caps look like this for the most part. I think I'll show you the other ones. Well, I don't know because I haven't opened them. But yeah, this is how this cap look. Just like that, basically, you know, synthetic wig. Cap size to full cap wig because I mean it's just a short wig. Okay, let's pop this boy off. And that's what I do every night. On the mannequin head, like that, straight like that.
Straight like that.
Okay, I think I'm gonna like this one too. I think I'm gonna like this one too. And make sure none of the hair tucked up. Okay, I'm excited because like I haven't been wearing the other ones, these, because I've been trying to wait. Make sure. One thing I hate is when the hair be all tucked up under. Let me make sure it's on straight. Let me straighten out them ear tabs. This one is cute too. And I was worried that they were kind of gonna look the same, but it doesn't. Okay, so I'm gonna get into my honest opinion in just a second. What's this? Oh, that's a track. Oh my, that upsets me. I was like, what is that? So a track was loose. But other than that, hold on, cause it seems like this is not cut. I don't know. Okay, it's not cut the same on both sides. I mean, these sideburns are not as long as the sideburns on the other wig, but like, okay. But I mean, I like it. It's straight. Definitely something quick to throw on. I don't like it as much as the other one. I'm not gonna lie. Partly because there's a track that's loose. Yeah, some thumbnail pictures, you're feeling me. Okay. I mean, I don't really have much else to say about the wig. There's not much more to it than this. I probably will not cut it, because if I cut any more off this wig. But did not like how I have a loose track. I could definitely tell the difference between this one and the other one. I'm not gonna dwell too long on this wig. We see it. Let's see how she look in the back. Yeah, burgundy black is cute. Will I order another one of these wigs? I'm not in love with it. I would order another one of the Cupid. Oh, I don't know if I said the name. The name is Simone. She's not middle name. Let's move on.
She's straight.
Okay, this is the one I'm kind of excited about. This is the one I really hope I don't have to do much tweaking to it, because I really don't want to cut these wigs, because I'm not a stylist for real. Like, okay, this is the one. The difference between the ones that say it's a wig, because I was wondering, is this the same like company? But it is the same company. But when they use human hair, they call it, it's a cat wig. Oh, it's a cat wig, which is, that's not cute. This is the colors it comes in, and I got 427.30. This is when I was just trying to, like, you know, I didn't want to get all like colorful hair. I wanted something to be natural. Oh my god, this is blonde. And I hope this is cute on me. This is what she looks like. Yes, I wanted the bowl cut look. I think the bowl cut look is so cute. First wig that I put on was not big head friendly, for real. I mean, you can loosen it, but I had the straps all the way like to the ends, because it was, my head was hurt. I had it too tight for at one point. It was starting to hurt my head, but these feel a little bit bigger. I'm a little skirt. I want it to be cute. And see, y'all get to see it from me. Oh gosh, hold up. Oh goodness. Why does it feel like that? It feels like it has something on it. Like I need to brush it out. Ew, I don't know if I like that. Y'all, I don't know why this wig feel like it has something on it. It's like a cast or something. Y'all, I hope I don't have to cut this one. I just don't like how it has freaking cast on it. What the heck is that? But now this one, I feel like I would have to a little hot comb to the back so it lay straight. But it's human hair. Like, I like how but that's what I was looking at when I was looking how I was looking on a model. Cause it was few bowl cuts. Definitely forgot to tell y'all where I got these wigs from. Diva Tress. Okay. Let me just put up just a little bit though, so I can see. Let's mess her up a little bit. The sideburns are not as like pronounced as like on the other one. But still cute. I think I'm feeling her. And I like the blonde. I like the blonde. Okay. The only thing I would do differently about this wig is I would curl her. But I like the blonde. I'm feeling it. This might be what I wear to the A this weekend for real, y'all. I like this one. Let me make sure I got my thumbnail. Something going thumbnail. Okay. But we overheated per usual, but it's okay. I forgot to tell the name. She is H.H Tata. Tay maybe. Yeah, they all have care. I am not that great at these reviews, unboxings, but I'm going to get better. They all have care instructions on the back, every last wig. Yeah. Okay, I like it. Next and last one. Favorite two so far are Cupid and H.H Tata or Tata. So this is my $425.99 J Burgundy wig. You know that's my color. That's my color. Like I love that color. That's my color. And her name is H.H Andy. Andy. This is how she came packaged. They all basically come packaged like this. This one does not have the color on the thing like the other ones did. And I'm not gonna insert them. Yeah, this is how she looks. I like how it like got that gradient effect. I hope this one's cute and ready. Hold up. Why does one seem a little small? It does. This one is, oh my goodness. This one is not big head friendly, baby, at all. Cause my biggest fear is, you know, looking grandmama-ish in these little short wigs. Cause you know, back in the day, I'm sure like they didn't have the same quality that they have now. This is what our grandmas used to wear. But you know, shoot, we can wear it too. I feel uneven like that. I think it's the cut, the overall cut of the wig. Feeling at the sideburns, and these are short, but these are a little longer. Like these stop right here, but these come down to here. Let me style her, y'all. Before I say anything, let me play with her a little bit. Let me look at the thing again. See how you supposed to wear her. Now this gonna bother me because that's supposed to go like, okay, there we go. But, or, okay, no, I think it's supposed to, hold on. And like, I don't want to cut no wig because I don't want to cut this hair, y'all. I mean, it's not bad. I don't quite understand it all the way, like the cut, cause this like is short and goes like this, and this is longer, but I think it's supposed to go like that. Maybe I might. Let me see. I might cut this just so that it flips up like that more. She's not horrible, but I'm gonna have to, you know, watch some videos of like how to style these like shortcuts and stuff to see where maybe I might have to cut it. I don't know. But I don't want to mess nothing up because I am not into wasting my money because I messed something up. But overall, she cute. She cute. I ain't disappointed. I have to me and her are gonna have to do a little bit more bonding. We gotta see what she's all about. But other than that, I like these wigs other than my track being loose, which is okay. It's okay because you can glue it back, but like, why is it loose? So we can say that, but like, why is it loose? Alright, so that would definitely wrap up the video. I don't really have much to say. Now that's gonna wrap up the video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all got some inspiration for these pixie cuts for the summertime. Alright, so just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and go check out some more videos on my channel. Thanks.